Hi, David here with Tough Tractors. This is a Yanmar YM1500. This is the green version of the Yanmars. Anyhow, nice tractor. 18 horsepower diesel. Shown with the optional J-bar box scraper. There's a brand new seat. Tires in really good shape. Low hours, about 416 hours on it. It's got a 3-speed PTO. It's got 8 forward, 2 reverse gears. Nice tractor, really nice shape. We put the brand new hydraulics on it, loader with the bucket. It's a 4-foot bucket. It'll go up over about 7.5 feet, and if you have it weighed properly in the rear, it'll lift about 1,000 pounds. No oil leaks, doesn't blow smoke. Really nice shape. Go ahead and start it up. That's the most important part to Jake. That horn works. Anyhow, you see there's not much to that engine. There's no big electronic things to screw around with. Really easy to maintain. Biggest thing, there's no oil leaks and no smoke blowing out of it. Anyhow, if you want to see more of this tractor, if you want to see the other tractors that we have, plus the implements, we have some used tillers, we have brand new box scrapers, brand new brush hogs, brand new post hole diggers. You can go to our website at ToughTractors.com, ToughTractors.com.